Once, in a large, dark hall, there sat a tiny candle on a wooden table. The hall was cold and empty. The little candle looked at the vast darkness around it and felt very afraid. It thought, "I am so small. How can my tiny flame make any difference in this big, dark room?" It was so scared that it didn't want to be lit at all. Nearby, there was an old, wise lantern. The lantern whispered to the candle, "My dear friend, do not be afraid. You are not meant to fight the darkness alone. You are only meant to do your part." The candle asked, "But what can I do? My light is so weak." The lantern smiled and said, "A single spark can start a fire. Your job is not to light the whole world, but to give light to the space right around you. When you shine, you might inspire others to do the same." Encouraged by these words, the little candle allowed itself to be lit. Suddenly, its tiny flame flickered into life. It was small, yes, but the darkness immediately stepped back. Soon, another candle was lit from its flame, and then another. Within minutes, the entire hall was glowing with warm, golden light. The little candle realized that it didn't need to be big to be important. Its only job was to be brave enough to shine. Remember, no matter how small you think you are, your light can change the world.